everyone, and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Before we begin, please don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Sincerely Jacqueline. Today I have 4 faith-based spring/Easter home decor items that I hope that you enjoy. I absolutely love Easter, and it is my favorite season. 1 Peter 1-3. Blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. According to his great mercy, he has caused us to be born again to a living hope through the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. First DIY is this framed card. So you can find so many cards at the Dollar Tree, and I found this one and I found a frame, and it's a very simple DIY. You just place the card in the frame. DIY number 2, we are making this beautiful cross reef. Then you're going to need a wooden cross, this beaded reef form, and some greenery. And I didn't like the color of the cross, so I just used some white paint to do a white paint wash. DIY number 3, I found this frame at the Dollar Tree and these clips. And I found these prayer cards, and they were different versions of them, and they basically have Bible quotes on them, and they're really, really pretty. And I thought it'd be so nice to display these and have a new Bible quote every day. So this one's very simple. You just glue on the clip and attach your verse. If you don't want to do a verse, you can attach photos on it. You can attach recipes. The options are endless. For DIY number 4, we're going to be making this display with the crosses, and you're going to need some type of container, styrofoam or foam, some jute rope, some moss or greenery, and some sticks. That is all my DIYs today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment below, and hit the alarm button for future videos from myself. Have a great Easter, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye!